And we say that comparative adjectives, we use it to compare adjectives when we are talking about only two things. For example, A1 is bigger than A2. Okay? So comparative only compare two things. And we have some rules. For short adjectives, we have to add er to my adjective. But we have some rules. For example, if my adjective ends in E, I just add R. Late, later. If an adjective ends in consonant, vowel, and consonant, like big, I have consonant, vowel, consonant. I have to double my last letter and add ER. So big, I double the G and I add ER. And if the adjective ends in Y, I have to change it to letter I. Happy, happier. Okay, so this one are like the rules for the short adjectives. And for my long adjectives, I use more before my adjective. For example, modern, more modern. Expensive, more expensive. But I have some exceptions, like good, change to better. Well, like talking about healthy, well, change to better too. And bad, change to worse, and far, change to farther and further. Okay? So remember that farther, I use it when with the distance that I can measure. For example, I can measure the distance from here, from my room to the kitchen, or from here to the store. For further are distances that is like more impossible to measure with a meter or with kilometers, or you are gonna, it's like far away. For example, the distance from here to Canada, or the distance from here to Europe or to United States. Okay, so farther and further. And we have some examples. For example, John is taller than John. Okay, so I think that this one is another name. John is taller than Daniel. Russia is bigger than America. My computer is more powerful than yours. Is French more difficult than English? Okay, so here I'm comparing John and Daniel. Russia with America, my computer with her computer, and French with English. You have more exception, Sully, but the most common are this one, and the ones that we are gonna use are this one. Okay? Okay, kids, so any question about this? Surely that this one are the most common exception that we have for the words. Okay, so Ricardo. Yes. So for you have another words that can enter in the session, but they are not so common like this one. Okay, so this one are the most common. Antonio, if they have bad, you have to use worse. Okay, so remember, short adjectives. I have to add ER, but I have to follow the rules, this one, that are simple. Like if we already have E, we only add R. The words that has consonant, vowel, consonant, I double the consonant. Happy, I change my Y for letter I, and I add ER. For long adjectives, I use more and my exception that I have to learn it. Good, better, bad, worse, far, farther, or further. Yes, Antonio, like far, far away. Santiago and David, stop talking, stop using the chat for that, please. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you something because we are gonna use it, but first I share it. I need to explain you how to use it, okay? Oh, and here kids, you have this little arrow here. So you can click on it and this presentation, you're gonna have it. Okay, so you can click here and you save this presentation with you. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. Only if you want to, Antonio. If you want to keep it to study there. Okay, so I'm gonna send you this page and you have to write sentence with using comparative adjectives, okay? You need to write 3 sentences, but so you are gonna use it. For example, Paul is blah blah blah. Okay, so only click on